So Bertie is going to find him there at Brill Manor. ठीक है, whom he is going to find there at his place or in his home? Philip Sletherby. ठीक है, because Philip Sletherby was also going to Brill Manor to meet his mother to secure a good will, so that he would own a seat in the Parliament re-election. ठीक है. So now let's see Philip responds that would he give him £3 or not. Philip Sletherby tries to confirm Bertie's crest. Now what do you mean by crest? Have you ever seen a crest? Royal crest होता है जो कि it may be a shape of horse. ठीक है, एक जो रॉयल क्रेस्ट होता है जो अपने आप लगाते हैं किसी वॉलेट पे लगा लेते हैं, ये रॉयल फैमिलीज का ही होता है. ठीक है, क्रेस्ट उसे कहते हैं. You might know what crest is. Bertie's crest with crest of Mrs. Salpinjago. अब वो क्या कहता है कि जिस तरह मिसेस सॉल्पिंजागो का क्रेस्ट है, डू यू हैव द सेम क्रेस्ट लाइक हर बिकॉज यू आर द सन ऑफ मिसेस सॉल्पिंजागो. ठीक है, एंड हु इज सेइंग दिस ऑल स्टफ? फिलिप स्लेदरबाय. Mrs. Salpinjago, which not only mismatches but also now his crest, Bertie's crest does not match with his mother's crest. ठीक है, because his mother's crest was something else and he had not that same crest with him. ठीक है, अब उनकी फैमिली में, रॉयल फैमिली में उनके क्या चलता था? 2 क्रेस्ट चलते थे. ठीक है, एक हॉर्स वाले पे चलता, अभी लेट्स सी. ठीक है, एक ड्रैगन फ्लाई समथिंग है. But also Bertie is not able to tell the correct color of her mother's hair. ठीक है, now Philip Sletherby is checking him that was Bertie fooling him. ठीक है, कि मैं सिर्फ ये बताने के लिए कि मैं उसका बेटा हूँ, ठीक है, सेकंड सन हूँ, या इसलिए उसको वो चेक करता है फिलिप स्लेदरबाय कि उसने करेक्ट would he be able to tell the correct color of her mother's hair and would his crest match with his mother's crest. ठीक है, but it didn't happen. His crest was not the same as Mrs. Salpinjago's crest. ठीक है, and he was unable to tell the correct color of her mother's hair. ठीक है, that is why, and that is how Philip Sletherby is not convinced that Bertie is the real son of Mrs. Salpinjago and hence denies to help Bertie. ठीक है, now he thinks कि he's not convinced. Now who's not convinced? Philip Sletherby is not convinced that Bertie was the royal son of Mrs. Salpinjago. ठीक है, and that is why he denies to help Bertie. Because Philip Sletherby thinks that he was fooling him by taking the name of Mrs. Salpinjago. Bertie gets down furiously. ठीक है, furiously means angrily, and later Philip Sletherby thinks highly of himself that he will discuss the strange incident with other guests in the dinner and will be appreciated for his astuteness. ठीक है, astuteness means cleverness. ठीक है, astuteness means cleverness, cunning. ठीक है, now what does he think? He thinks highly of himself. Who thinks highly of himself? Philip Sletherby thinks highly of himself because he thinks that he was not fooled by Bertie. ठीक है, and he also thinks that he will discuss this incident later on with the guests in the dinner. ठीक है, this will increase his chances for being chosen as a party manager. ठीक है, now he's thinking that this incident will increase his chances for being chosen as a party manager, because he thinks that everyone would think highly of himself and everyone would think that he's a guy of much importance. ठीक है, but it's not. ठीक है, we would say that this chapter is also an ironical one. ठीक है, because it doesn't, irony means that difference between appearance and reality. ठीक है, वो चेहरे से लगता होगा कि intelligent cunning है, but he's actually not that. On reaching Brill Manor, he's received, ना किसकी बात हो रही है? Philip Sletherby. ठीक है, on reaching Brill Manor is a place. ठीक है, he's received by Claude People. Who's Claude People? That we have discussed in the characters. Claude People was a important lawyer of Mrs. Jago. ठीक है, and he's received by who was received by Claude People? Philip Sletherby. Claude People, who is a professional lawyer working for Mrs. Salpinjago. He was a tall but talkative man. Now the description of Claude People: he was a tall but talkative man with a sumptuous car On his way to Brillbainer, he talks about the luxurious features of his expensive car. ठीक है, now he's talking about the luxurious features of his expensive car. He has bought a expensive car and he's talking about it all the way. ठीक है. Philip Slitherbye suddenly looks at the two crests kept in a box at the car window, and on further inquiry, he gets to know that they both belong to, यहाँ पे belong आएगा, that they both belong